Okay, so here we're in a cooling call. Let's go check it out. Goodman. Nothing's on, huh? It's gonna be like, hopefully it's the cap. Okay, so it's calling for cooling and nothing's on. Oh, you can hear the compressor trying to come on. The cap.
Little lines.
Huh?
I like these little PVC lines right here. They're just like
right away.
Simple, like ba ba boom.
2.5 ton 10 seer. Little pits. What is it asked for? A 35/5. What are you gonna do first? Zero on both? What are you doing? You can't find the common one?
Yeah, but
oh.
Todavía nothing.
Okay, bad cap. What's that? I'll put it in here. Slow down. Got my buddy installing the new cap. Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, go. Oh, we gotta wait for the 5-minute delay Goodman has. Is it flashing? Oh, that's another way we could check it.
Just for you.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Okay, Goodman is up and running. Check the amp draws, some motors, compressor, capacitors, refrigerant charge. Not bad for a Goodman. And it's all original as well. On to the next one.